In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the navigation bar in WordPress Elementor. If you've ever wanted to customize your site's navigation bar to better fit your style or enhance user experience, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress admin panel. Once you're there, look to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then select Add New. What we're doing here is installing a tool that will give you more control over your navigation bar. In the search bar that appears on the Add Plugins page, type in Elementor Header and Footer Builder. This plugin is a fantastic choice created by the Brainstorm Force team, which will allow you to customize your site headers and footers using Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface. After you find the plugin in the search results, go ahead and click on the Install Now button. The process will take a short while, depending on your internet speed. Once installation is complete, you'll notice the button changes to Activate. Click on that. Activating the plugin is crucial because this step enables its features on your website. Now that we have the required tools, let's move on to the next phase. Navigate to Appearance in the left side menu of your admin panel, and then click on Header Footer Builder. This section might be new, but don't worry, it's quite user-friendly. The Header Footer Builder empowers you to create a custom header design by utilizing Elementor's broad array of widgets. Once you're in the Header Footer Builder, select the option to Create a New Header. This is where the fun begins. You can let your creative juices flow and design a navigation bar that perfectly aligns with your vision. You'll find a wide array of widgets to choose from, such as image, icon list, and more. Use these tools to add logo images, menu items, and any other elements that you want your visitors to see on your navigation bar. As you're piecing together your custom header, remember to keep user experience in mind. A well-structured navigation bar significantly enhances how visitors interact with your site, so design it to be both aesthetically pleasing and easy to navigate. Once you've designed a header that you're happy with, it's time to make it live. In the settings for your newly created header, you'll need to assign it to the entire website. This step is key because it ensures that your custom header will replace the default one across your entire site. With your header set to apply to the whole website, save the changes. Congratulations! You've successfully customized your WordPress Elementor navigation bar to make a unique statement and improve the browsing experience for your users. By doing so, you've taken an important step towards making your website truly your own. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.